Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of Python tutorial, today I'll talk about Python number. So as Python number, I set it up topics for today's tutorial. It is Python number. It has three types of number. One is integer, another one is float, another one is complex. So integer number basically it's a whole number. It positive or negative, and it should be without decimal and unlimited length it could be. And float number, it could be positive or negative and contain one or more decimal. Must you have to have decimal number. It has complex number. Complex number are written with a G as a imaginary part. So also there is another one which is random number. Python doesn't have a random function to make a random number, but Python has a built-in module called random that can be used to make a random numbers. So we'll do practical example with PyCharm IDE. So let's open PyCharm IDE. Here is my PyCharm IDE. Those who are new in Python as well as PyCharm IDE, how to install and set up Python project. I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch from there. So right click in the Python project, then click new, then go click Python file. Thereafter you need to type your file name. Let's say my file name is number example. Then hit enter from keyboard. Here is the code editor window. You need to write your code over here. Let's say I'm declaring a variable a equal to 20, then declaring another variable b equal to 25, then I'm declaring another variable c equal to 251, let's say g. So we declared three variables. Now we need to know which number is for what type of number it is. A variable contains what type of number, B variable contains what type of number. So B equal to not 25, 25.0. Those three variables. Now, how I can determine which value is what type of variable? So in order to check that, let's say print. The type is a function which can give you the result what type of variable it is. Let's say A. Then we can copy the same command for all our variable. So first one is A, second one B, and third one C. So basically A is the integer number, B equal to 25.0 decimal is a float number, C equal to contain G that is complex number. So let me run this. So you see A, it is integer number, then next one is the float, third one is the complex. So now how we can convert those number? Let's say A is a integer, I want to convert it as a float. So in order to do that, float 20. Also B equal to, I need to convert this one as an integer. So let's say it is converted. So now it is a 20 we declared as the integer number. As it will be converted to the float, it will be 20.0, and float number 25.0, it will be integer. That means it will be whole 25 number. So in order to check that one, let me run this one first. Let me check it is how it is. Take a look. First one, now it is float. Second one integer, and third one is the complex as it is. So let me print only variable so that you will understand how it is. So now A will be printed as a 20.0 because it converted as a float, and B 25.0 it will be print as a 25 because it is converted as integer. So run it, run number example, you see First one is the 20.0, then 25. So now let me go for the example like this way. Let's say we mentioned that an integer will be a whole number without decimal. So it might be positive or negative. Let's say 512 is a positive number. Then we'll declare b equal to minus 512, and also c will be declared a long digit number. Let's say 51225465831. According to definition, all will be the integer number. Let me print that one. Type. So let me copy this code. A, B, C. Then also check the C. So now if we run it, run number example, you see all are integer. Similar way, we can do, let's say 512.10 and also negative 512.10. It's a negative value, it's a positive value. And also we can do 512E4. It's a basically we declared as the E to indicate power of 10. It's a complex, it's a scientific number as a float. Let me run this one. All three should return as a float number. Run. So as per definition, you see this one positive with decimal, it's a float. It's a negative with the decimal, it's a float, and this one is a scientific number as a float. In this way, we can declare a variable and we can identify the variable, that is which type of data it is. Those we can do. Now, complex number, all the number integer can convert into a float and float can convert into a integer, but complex number, it will not convert. So complex number you cannot convert. That's the thing. Now come to the point, random number. So random number, as we mentioned that random number, there is no function for random. So Python has a built-in module. So let me import random. Then we can do print random dot rand range. Then also here it needs two parameter, like first parameter from which number you want to pick the random number. Let's say first parameter is 201 and second parameter I declare 999. So that means when you run the program, Python will pick in between any number. Every time you will run, it will pick another. So let me run first time. Run number, you see 339, it's pick in between 201 to 999. So if you run another time, run number example 543. In this way, for any programming purpose you need a random number, you can use this random module for Python. So that's all for today's tutorial as a Python number. I think those who are new in Python as well as Python number, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question about this, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.